Kia ora, I am Pip Kistler, Senior HR Business Partner at Dentons. I am going to talk you through some tips and tricks for submitting your application with us for a role as a summer clerk. So I'll start off with first impressions count. This is your opportunity to put your best foot forward. And one of the ways that you can do that is by submitting all of the relevant documentation we need within your application. So that is your CV, your cover letter, and your academic transcript. So firstly, with your cover letter, we know that you're going to be applying for multiple roles, and attention to detail is something we particularly look for with the applicants for our summer clerks. So if there is any information that is included on the advertisement, whether it be who to direct your application to, so maybe it's a person, but in particular, making sure that you get the name of our firm correct. One of the key reasons for that is, even if that is an error that we are able to move and look past, that will remain with your application. My next tip for you is around attention to detail. So working in a law firm, this is something that is core to our business. It is key to our people, and it's key to our clients. So think about this in terms of how you can demonstrate your attention to detail, and this is throughout the application process. So throughout your cover letter, but also think about your interactions, either with our recruitment team or with the partners. My third tip is we receive a really high volume of applications, and this is your chance to show us who it is that you are. We want to be able to really get a sense of what your interests are, maybe why it is that you've chosen law. What is the appeal of Dentons? And we really enjoy reading and learning about you, so try and make this as personalised as you possibly can. So why are you interested in working at Dentons? This should be a question that you are able to articulate confidently. It is a good opportunity for you to showcase that you know who we are as a firm, that you've maybe talked to some of our people, that you've learnt about us, and also around our areas of law. We are interested to hear about those interactions. So whether that be through a career fair, maybe you've had interactions with us as a client, you may have family or friends who have been clients. These are great stories that you can bring to your application as to why you resonate with us. The other key thing is timeliness. If I reflect on our client service commitments, delivering work when we say we're going to do it is another core aspect to our organisation, and that extends to getting your application in on time. So I would encourage you, with balancing your studies, not to leave it to the last moment, but to get your application in as soon as it's ready. Good luck.